Hello, this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to do a booting test between some of the big flagship phone in the world at the moment. Okay, you see I have so many phones. I have two Samsung phone and I have two iPhone. I have iPhone 12, iPhone 11, Samsung S20 Ultra Plus and Samsung S20 Plus version. So this comparison between Samsung S20 Ultra versus iPhone 12. Here we go. You can see guys, these two lovely looking phones, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with 108 megapixel camera and iPhone 12 with 12 megapixel camera. But we are not doing any comparison between cameras. This is only boot testing. Here is a power button of Samsung and here is a power button of Apple. Let's do the test. Let's see who or which phone is booting faster. 1, 2, 3. I hold both of them same time. Let's see. iPhone 12 is a clear winner. It boots just like that. It's here. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra still waiting for the process. Okay, now we see Samsung, but iPhone is already there. So let's see how many delays Samsung can do. Okay, Samsung is ready too. Now I will check the apps are open in these both phone or not. I will close all the app and we'll try again. I use them daily basis, so there shouldn't be any big difference in app section. They are almost identical. So I shut down this iPhone 12. You see I don't have no app here, so the phone is blind, empty, only install app but nothing is open. I will shut down this one. To general is done. Let's see the Samsung one. Here we go. Okay, let's see any app open. There are some app is open, so I clean them all. At the top I don't have nothing downloading, uploading, nothing. I clear all that. Okay, notification, whatever option, and I will shut it down. Let's see. Here we go. Power off. That is done. Now we'll try again. This time I will change my hand. Maybe I press few seconds here and there to clear all the doubt. Here is the power button. Here is the power button. Let's go. 1, 2 and 3. Although Samsung logo you can see faster than iPhone 12, but let's see who is the winner in this process. Samsung is trying its best, but iPhone 12 is a magnificent phone. It boots faster no matter what you do. I tried with so many other phones, the result is the same, even with iPhone 11 or other version of Samsung phone. So in this case, iPhone 12 is the winner. If you want to still buy this phone, Samsung Galaxy Ultra 20 Plus is a great phone. It has a great camera, one of the best in the world, no doubt. Although iPhone takes a good picture, there's no doubt. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.